Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up MeshForce M3 wall plug Wi-Fi extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the MeshForce M3 wall plug Wi-Fi extender is a small plug-in mesh node designed to expand the coverage of your MeshForce M1 or M3 Wi-Fi system. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First of all, plug the dot into a wall socket. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes until the LED starts blinking, means it's ready for setup. Make sure it is placed within 10 meters of your main MeshForce M3 router. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for a Wi-Fi name like MeshForce_DOT_XXXX or Mesh_XXXX. Connect to it. No password is usually required, but if it asks, use the password printed on the dot's label. Open Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for My Mesh Install and open the app. Open the app. Go to Settings or Mesh Devices. Tap Add Mesh Node or add a mesh point. The app will ask you to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code printed on the back or side of the M3 dot. The app will now start pairing the dot automatically. The app will show adding mesh point. The LED on the dot will blink then turn solid green when successfully added. This takes around 1 to 2 minutes. Done. Once added, you will see the M3 dot listed inside the app along with signal strength. Your M3 dot is now extending your mesh Wi-Fi network. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.